B.Sc Political Science 100 level first semester courses. You are offering just 105 because political science is not a science course. So 105 is for either arts or social science programs in NOUN. So you are expected to register all these courses and pass them. That's why you're seeing 23 of 23 here. It's total units for all of them. You are expected to register all and pass all of them. And your first compulsory fee is 36,000. From second semester it will be 18,000. And your first semester school fees is 65,500 as the total amount you will pay to register all these courses. Welcome to NOUN. 100 level second semester. You have to register all these courses, including GST 102, and you can only skip one course from here. If I were you, I would register also that if later fail one of those one course, you will not have to rewrite it. Then you have a total of 44,000 for your second 100 level second semester. Then 200 level first semester, you have these courses to register, and here you have 201 but no 203. So you're not registering 203 because this is not a science program. Science programs must register just 203, but they will not register 105. Just as these guys, political science students, will register 105, but they will not register 203. The guideline is clearly on the portal. So we have 20 units here which you must pass. This should be 22 of 22 for direct entry students, because they will add GST 107 to this 20. So when they come in, they will go to 100 level and bring GST 107, add it to these courses and register. So their own is 22, while 100 level students will be taking on 20. Then we'll have 44,000 as a total fee for 200 level first semester. Then 200 level second semester, you have these courses to write, and your GST is compulsory. That's why I shared them. Don't ever ignore it. And these are your courses. You must also pass all of them. 44,500 is your fee for 200 level second semester. And 300 level first semester, you have your GST 302 which you must take, and all others 23 of 23, and your total fee is 45,500. Course material fee is called course registration. You do your course registration before exam registrations. So when you do that, you'll be able to write your exams. And here you have political science 300 level second semester. You also have to pass all of this, and your fee is 42,500. Then 400 level first semester, you have these courses and opportunity to add any carryover. 18, you still have up to 24 left. So if you have any carryover, you bring it in, and you're registering your project here. I'll take it up to the next semester if you want, but here is where it's good. It's better you add it here, and you don't register projects for exams. That's why there's no 1,000 naira under exam fees. So your total fee is 50,500 naira. In your final semester, you have these courses and the 21 unit courses to take, and you would be paying 42,500 as your fee. Now, if you have other courses in your portal, or perhaps electives, you can add them, so that in that semester, if you are required to write 2 electives and you registered 3, if you later fail one of the electives, you will not have to retake that one as a carryover. You will not have to register it as a carryover. You just have to move on. So that's it. Total credits carried, the ones you registered, a total of 185 here, and the one you earned, the one, how many did you pass? You're supposed to pass a minimum of 180. So if you check your record and you already have 180, congratulations, you have passed. You are a graduate. Your name should be in the next graduation list. For direct entry students, 140 is your requirement for graduation. You must get up to 140 based on this course registration pattern here. So that's it.